Welcome to Drive Formula Car, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive news, reviews, and official unveilings from around the world. Today, we're taking you straight into the spotlight of one of the most awaited reveals in the commuter segment, the all-new next-generation 2026 Hero Splendor Plus. The legendary Hero Splendor has been India's most trusted motorcycle for decades, and in 2026, Hero MotoCorp has taken it to an entirely new level. The all-new Splendor Plus is not just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation built for the modern era while staying true to its timeless roots. At first glance, the 2026 Splendor Plus looks more premium and bold than ever before. The design language has evolved, featuring a sharper headlamp unit with integrated LED DRLs, sleeker body panels, and dynamic color options that make the bike stand out. The chrome accents and refreshed decals add a modern touch while maintaining that classic Splendor charm we all know and love. Underneath the stylish exterior, Hero has equipped this new Splendor Plus with an upgraded next-generation 125cc engine, tuned for both power and efficiency. It's a refined motor that delivers smoother performance, enhanced throttle response, and impressive fuel economy. The engine now features Hero's latest i3S technology for intelligent start-stop functionality, ensuring maximum mileage without compromising on performance. The new digital analog meter console gives riders essential information at a glance, including fuel efficiency indicators, real-time mileage, and a gear position display, a first for this segment. The improved seat cushioning, upgraded suspension setup, and better road grip ensure a comfortable and confident ride, whether you're gliding through city traffic or cruising on open roads. Hero has also made the 2026 Splendor Plus future-ready with connectivity features. Using Hero Connect, riders can access trip data, track location, and receive important alerts directly on their smartphones. Safety has been prioritized with an advanced braking system, improved headlamp illumination, and new tubeless tires designed for durability and stability. From every angle, this new generation of Splendor Plus feels like a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. It represents Hero's commitment to continuous evolution, a motorcycle designed not just for daily commuting, but for those who want a reliable, stylish, and intelligent companion on the road. Expected to be priced competitively around 80,000 to 90,000 rupees ex-showroom, the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus continues to define what a true value-for-money motorcycle should be. It's built for the future but crafted with the same spirit that made it a legend in the first place. So, what do you think of the new Hero Splendor Plus 2026? Has Hero MotoCorp just redefined the commuter segment once again? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Drive Formula Car, bringing you the latest updates from the world of cars and bikes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more official unveilings and detailed reviews. Stay tuned, because the road to the future begins right here.